everyone doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for clicking on this video. And if today is your first time watching any of my videos or watching this video for the first time, please consider subscribing. Also turn on the bell notification. That will notify you anytime I upload a new video. Okay, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate also your support, okay, and also for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much. So today I'm gonna be styling my natural fussy hair. I've been wearing that wig now for a long time, and I'm tired of the wig, so I want to just make my hair. So today I'm going to be using this hair. It says twisted up. It's an expression hair, and it's a spring twist, and this is the color 1B. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be using it at ease. I'm not gonna cut it. I have about, I think, 2 packs over here. So I have this pack, and I also have some pack which I've used previously. I'm gonna continue using that, and also this one. So about 2 packs all together I'm gonna use for this hairstyle. So guys, if you are interested in watching this video and to see the style, the final reveal of it, so keep watching. Okay guys, I've already prepped my hair, partition it at the back. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start the braids. Okay, so it depends on how big you want it. I don't want it too small, so that I can finish the whole head on time. All right, so I'm just gonna get my hair clip and clip the other parts of the hair. So I have this one going on here. So I have my hair pudding. Just gonna put a little bit of my hair pudding around it, so that will give it some hold. Then for the hair, I'm just gonna use one hair, and it, when you pull it, it comes like this, and it's spring hair. Okay, spring twist. So I cut it into 2 equal halves. So I have 2. Okay, so you pull it out like so. Like so guys. So crisscross it. Okay, then come over here. So you braid it for like 3 times, 3 or 4 times. Okay, so when you see you have a good grip on the braids, so you split it into 2, then you begin to twist. Okay guys, so the twisted, this hair is very good for natural hair, natural kinky coily hair. So if any hair is coming out like this, do not worry about it. We're gonna go back and spin it around. Just twist it around, and it will coil back in the hair, and it will be uniform. Okay guys, So you see how long the hair is. So that's why I'm using the ones at the back. I'm gonna cut it into two because it's so long. Okay, so over here you see how this place is. Let me look at the mirror. I can leave it like that if I want to, or I can just, you know, use my finger and twist it. Okay, so this is one hair, guys, and it's so long. This is the one at the back. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more just to show you guys, and I will continue to do the rest of the hair. You get your hair pudding again. This hair pudding is so good, it doesn't flake on you. Okay, so that's why I keep using it for my natural hairstyles. You get your brush, comb it out. This is the second half that I cut. Crisscross it. Then you come here. So you have a 4 plait. Okay, so bring the hair now, divide it into 2, then you start to twist. I want to make sure the hair is properly concealed in the twist. Okay, so if the ends is out like this, do not worry about it. We're just gonna use the scissors and trim it off. Okay, and you use your finger and just twist it out. Okay, so you bring your scissors now and just cut that one off. Okay, so guys, I'll continue to do this hair. So if I continue to do it like this, all the hair round. Okay, so guys, so hold on for the final reveal. So guys, this is how much hair I've been able to do in 45 minutes. Okay guys, so here and here, you know, I was able to achieve those in 45 minutes. Okay, so guys, the lines might not be perfect, but hey, it's my creation and I'm proud of what, you know, I've been able to do in 45 minutes. Okay guys, so I don't want my video to be too long, so I will continue to braid this hair. So I will show you in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm almost done with the hair. This is what I have left. So this one will be about maybe 4 parts. So this is what the hair look like. Hey guys, the lines are not perfect, but I love it. I'm loving it so far. Okay, of course, if you are doing it by yourself, the lines will not be perfect. Okay, so let me continue and finish up. Let me just put some grease on this one. Finish up the front part. Okay, so I'm looking at the mirror. So that's the size I'm going for. So this is the hair. For the long ones, I didn't cut it. No, the one at the back, I cut it into two and I use half, okay? So for the front, I'm just going to use the straight one like this, okay? So just hold it into two like this. Take the hair in the middle. Let me look at the mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Hope you can see. Put it around the hair. Okay, make sure your grip is tight. Like this. Make sure your grip is tight. Spin it around. Like so. Make sure your hair is tight enough, okay? And it won't give you a headache. So now for the wrap the hair around one, then you start to twist. Okay guys, start to twist. So you just continue twisting until you get to the end. Okay, see? So make sure it's tight enough that it will not hurt you, okay? So you just continue to twist and twist and twist. So what you are doing, you're just wrapping it around one another. You're actually really not twisting because the hair is a spring twist on its own already. So just wrap it around one another. Continue to wrap it around one another until it gets to the end of it, and you'll be good to go. So when it gets to the end like this, just wrap it around because it's like coil, you know, just wrap it around. And this is what you have, guys. Okay, this is what you have. That is it. You can fix it some more. Just wrap it around some more, and this is it. Okay guys, so let me hurry up and finish this one, then we'll come and style it. Okay guys, finally this is the last one. Oh my goodness, to do this hair is not easy, not a joke, man. Oh, this is the last one. Finally, let me grab it. I'm so excited for this hair, guys. I'm so excited about this hair. I've been trying to do it for a long time. I've been trying to do this hair, but time, because it takes time, you know. I started this one Sunday evening, and today is Tuesday now. I'm just getting to the end of it. So if you want to do hair for yourself, you have to be able to put in the time, okay? All right, so this is the last one. This hair is so super easy to, it's very easy to do, guys. Okay, yeah, I have to go back and see this one. I have to go back and fix it. Yeah, because the hair in the front is kind of short, so I have to go back and fix that one. Yeah. No, I didn't get it yet. Yeah, because that's the front. The front one should be neat. Okay, so much better now than what it was before. So guys, make sure you try this hairstyle using the bun twist or spring twist. So super easy and nice. So guys, I'm all done with the hair. This is what it looks like. Whoa, I'm feeling this hair. So I'm just going to take my spray. Just spray on the scalp. And just to oil the hair a little bit. So guys, how did I do? Did I do right? Did I do well? Did I try it? You know, this is the back of it. This is the side. Yes, this is it. So you can wear it down, wear it up like this. You know, you can put it up in a ponytail like this. But me, I'm just gonna rock it like this for now. Okay, can put it to the side like so. Yes, so this is the full length of it, like shoulder length. Okay guys, shoulder length of it. So if some are too long like this, you can trim it off if you like, but I am just gonna leave it the way it is. So I'm wearing it to the side now like so. You know, you can wear it all to the back like so. Okay, so you can do different style with it. You can put it up like so, make a little coil, wear it up like so. Use some bobby pins and put it in place and wear it like this. Okay, so put up some bobby pins, put some of the ruffle hair bubbles or hair bands or something like that, hold it in place and you will look like $1,000,000. Okay guys, so you can just, when you do this style, you can just play around with it, but I am just gonna wear it like this for now. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.